Hello and welcome. What I've been doing ever since the last video is I've been wearing this. You see how I got it like that? Or I pull it back, pull it up a little bit like that, put it behind my ears. Nope, that don't look right. Like this. And I've just been walking around like this for the whole week. Plus, I just wore this because it's comfortable. Like after hydrate and moisturizing and sealing my hair, I just threw this on my head and I haven't took it off ever since. I even wore it like this outside because look, if I wear it like this, I don't like it like that, see? So that's all I do is move it back a little bit, put it like right there, and I ain't even been bothered with my hair, but I am today. This is how they're looking, and I've just been wearing it in these twists under this for the past week. Like I never took this thing off. I don't have to worry about my hair or anything. Just wrap it up in there. And since this thing is silk, helps my hair to hold on to moisture. So that's all I've been wearing. Let's go and see what I got going on here. I rebraided this right here. This was 2 small braids, but I combined them into one. And I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate, moisture, and seal my hair. My goal is armpit length. You see my collarbone, as you can see from the light radiating off. So this is it right here. Right here, here. Hair is right there. It's not armpit length yet. See, my armpit is right here. So my hair is a little bit past my collarbone. Look, if I pull this, look at this. You see that? Down to the collarbone. That's why I said the shrinkage be real. Yeah. I feel like my hair is very dry back here. I thought I had got it, but I didn't. And give it a little mist. Leave no hair behind, right? Always supposed to break it down and get in the inside of the hair. Don't skip that. Part it and spray it down. Now I had to check because I'm like, how much did I miss? But just spray a little bit on there. And I'm golden, feel much better. And also the reason that I braided my flat twist going in this direction over here is because look at the way my braids lay. Whatever way you want your braids to lay, you braid them in that direction. Okay? Because as you can see, the way that I twist it is the way that it falls. Now, instead of it falling at the middle part, it actually falls to the side. So you see that? Okay.